Hey folks, Kelly here with Live Life Logically, and I have another product review for you. I just purchased the MCHATTE makeup mirror with lights. It's also a makeup organizer. I purchased it for $33.50 on Amazon and came in 2 days with free Prime shipping. What I like most about it is that it's lightweight, it's compact, but also holds quite a bit of products inside, and it would be great for camping, traveling, on the go, at your office, or even a dorm room. The mirror comes with 28 LED lights and it's USB powered. You can easily turn the lights on by clicking the light bulb icon. And what's also great is that it comes with 3 different light settings. So if you're looking for a morning, afternoon, or evening look, you can easily just select that icon to adjust the light to whatever look you're going for. Hope you guys liked this review, and I will post the link below so that you can check it out for yourself. See you next time for the next Live Life Logically product review.